Hello, my name is Judd Albring, and welcome to this video on ClickFunnels integrations. So there are tons and tons of options for integrating with ClickFunnels, guys. Also, if there's something that you don't see as we go through this this little demo here of ClickFunnels integrations, there is a third-party app called Zapier, which is, or Zapier as they pronounce it, which is available inside of your ClickFunnels. You do have to have a Zapier account. It is free. They do have paid options, but a free account is usually enough for one person. But you can see inside of ClickFunnels, they have all the major integrations. So all your autoresponders, Aweber, Drip, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, MailChimp, GetResponse, all your webinars, GoToWebinar, EverWebinar, some that aren't included in here, but EasyWebinar integrates, Webinar Jam, Webinar Ninja. So they all play really nice with ClickFunnels. And don't worry if you don't see yours here. You most likely you're going to be able to integrate it. Infusionsoft, Kajabi, Market Hero, Mad Mimi, I don't even know what that is. Ontraport, Salesforce, that's a big one. Shopify, you can integrate your Shopify store. ShipStation, Zoom. So the list goes on and on. Also with different actions, so you can trigger different actions for Facebook, Sky Broadcasts, and Direct. What is it here? Delivery. Yeah, so for your Shopify store, if you do drop shipping, and of course here's all the emails we talked about before. HubSpot's a big one. Integrate all your messaging, push crew. Also, if you upgrade and do the Actionetics program, you have a built-in messenger bot, which is cool. SMS, so you can send texts. And then you can also, integrate, as we said before, all your webinars. But if you didn't see anything on there and you're not familiar with this tool, get on it now. It is a lifesaver. Zapier basically allows you to integrate with pretty much just about any software platform you can imagine. You could connect whatever it is you're trying to do. So it's called a Zap. So if I want to collect an email in ClickFunnels, but then I want to send it to MailChimp, I can do it. If I want to collect an email in ClickFunnels and then I want that email to go right into a Google spreadsheet, I can do that. If I want to collect something and send it to Instagram, if I want to send it to my Dropbox. So basically what you're doing is you're integrating your ClickFunnels with any of these other tools, and you can see the list goes on and on and on. So most likely, if you don't find it within ClickFunnels, you'll find it and you'll be able to create a Zap within Zapier. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Those are the ClickFunnels integrations, and you pretty much can work well with just about everything. All right, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you're new to ClickFunnels, guys, I will leave a link below. You can check it out for free for 14 days. Thank you.